Hi beautiful igboticnonos, welcome back to my channel. This is a girl igboticnono, and you're welcome back to my channel once again. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so. Okay, turn on the bell notification as well so you can get my videos anytime I post. On this channel we learn how to speak Igbo on the go. We learn how to speak Igbo swiftly. We don't judge on this channel. Okay, from time to time I bring in other things just to make it fun, so that it's not anytime you see my video you're scared, you're like, this teacher has come again. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed my last video. If you have not, please go and watch it. I did so many fun videos. The last one I did was the funny proverbs in Igbo. So without further ado, let's dive into this video. And in today's video we're going to start talking about deep-rooted names. Yeah, I know you guys will say I've done names before, and yeah, names never finishes, right? But in today's video we're talking about deep-rooted Igbo names, like deep-rooted Igbo names. Of course, I'm gonna give them meanings, and feel free to give it to your daughter or anybody if you so love them. So let's dive into it. Okay, and number one here is golibe. Number one here is golibe. Golibe basically means rejoice. Golibe means rejoice. Golibe basically means rejoice. Okay, that's what golibe means. It's a very beautiful name. It's mostly given to a male child. I love the name so much. Like, it sounds so tush and everything, though it's the Igbo name, but I love the way it sounds. Okay, feel free to give it to your son. Okay. And we have here chimdalo. Chimdalo means God I thank you. Chimdalo, God I thank you. That's what it basically means. Another one here is Belu Olisa, if not for God. Belu Olisa, if not for God. Ugomma, beautiful eagle. Ugomma, beautiful eagle. Ugomma, as in fine girl. Ugomma. You know, basically this name is basically given to a female child that is so beautiful. Yes, just like an English name, Queen. You know, when you hear Queen on the way, you're like, you know, you turn back and be like, okay, who is this person? And even if you don't get to see the person, your personal instinct just tells you this person must be a very beautiful person, right? That's the same way this name is. Ugomma. Ugomma, beautiful eagle. Ugomma, yes, beautiful eagle. Olamma, priceless jewel. Olamma, priceless jewel. I love this name as well. It's mostly given to a female child. I love it, so beautiful as well. Nwaka ego. Nwaka ego. Child is greater than money. Nwaka, you guys are very familiar with ego, that is money. Nwa, which is child. Nwaka ego, child is greater than money, and I think so as well. Yeah. Ndoka, life is greater. Ndoka, life is greater. I love this name so much as well. Ndoka, life is greater. It's basically given mostly to a male child, and the name is so cool. I love it as well. Onochie, the one who has come. Onochie, the one who has come. I love this name too as well. It's basically given mostly to male child. I love it. I've not seen a female answering this name. It's mostly given to a male child, and I love it so much as well. And here we have Ocha sparkling. Ocha sparkling. sparkling Ocha. Most times also this name is given to an Igbo person who is an albino. People like to call the person Ocha, like, you know, Ocha means fair, but basically here in these terms it means sparkling as well. Lotana. Lotana, remember God, is given to both male and female child. It's a very beautiful name as well. Aka Olisa, hand of God. Aka Olisa, hand of God. It's a very beautiful name as well. I love the name so much. Feel free to give it to your child, okay? Chetachi. 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 Remember God. I love this name as well. Feel free to give it to your child, okay? Ejikeme. 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 it's not by power. It is not by power. Did you get me? So guys, this brings us to the end of this video. It's quite a very short video, yes, I know, unlike my videos, yes, but these are just the very deep-rooted Igbo names. We have so many of them as well, not only this. If you want to see more of this, please put down in the comment section. Also tell me on the comment section the name you have heard before from what I just mentioned. Also tell me the names you think you know that are very deep-rooted Igbo names that you see someone answering, your friends, your family, or whatever it is. Put it down in the comment section. Also, if you want to know the meaning, please also tell me in the comment section, and I'll be here to answer every question. Thank you for watching, and do have a lovely day. Bye. Besides, I have red eye today, but it's not stopping me from doing this video. It's not stopping me. Okay, do have a lovely day. Bye.